DiversiTech offers a complete line of quality electrical disconnects that make installations faster and easier. These disconnects are rain-tight, sleet-resistant, and UL-listed, available in both fusible and non-fusible versions, and in metallic and non-metallic enclosures. Designed for convenience, all of DiversiTech's electrical disconnects have line, load, and ground terminals that are aligned for easy wiring. The standard metal case disconnects have mounting and inline wiring, as well as a reversible side-opening door. On the fusible models of metal case disconnects, the pull-out handle also functions as a removable fuse holder for easy replacement of fuses. There's also an indicator light for fuse condition, providing rapid troubleshooting for the contractor. The standard metal case disconnect is available in a fusible 30-amp or 60-amp model, or in a non-fusible 60-amp model. The 60-amp low-profile metal case disconnect switch is a slightly smaller design than the standard disconnect. It features a side-opening door with a full dead front. DiversiTech also offers an electrical disconnect in a non-metallic plastic case. This 60-amp non-fusible disconnect is housed in a lightweight case that features a side-opening door with more than 180 degrees access, full dead front, and a locking tab. You can't go wrong with DiversiTech's electrical disconnects. You can find them at your local DiversiTech distributor.